Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because the upcoming OnePlus 15 is about to change the smartphone game forever. Imagine a phone that doesn't just perform, it thinks, adapts, and delivers an experience so futuristic, it feels like it's straight out of 2030. Yes, you heard that right. OnePlus has taken innovation to an entirely new level this time, and trust me, you're going to be blown away by what's coming next. The OnePlus 15 is not just another upgrade, it's a total redefinition of speed, design, and intelligence. Starting off with the power inside, this beast runs on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built with advanced AI capabilities that boost performance while keeping everything ultra-efficient. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing 4K videos, the OnePlus 15 glides through it all like a hot knife through butter. The AI-driven Oxygen OS, powered by Android 16, learns your usage patterns to optimize battery life, app performance, and even camera settings automatically, making your phone feel more personal than ever before. Speaking of power, the 5,200 mAh battery is built to last all day and beyond, and with the new 125W SuperVOOC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes. And yes, wireless charging is finally getting a massive speed boost too, something OnePlus fans have been asking for years. Now, let's talk about the display, because this one is going to leave you speechless. The OnePlus 15 flaunts a 6.8-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, giving you buttery smooth scrolling, stunning color accuracy, and HDR10+ support for jaw-dropping visuals. Whether you're gaming, streaming Netflix, or just browsing, every frame feels alive. On the camera side, OnePlus has teamed up once again with Hasselblad to bring a triple lens setup featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. But here's the twist. The AI photography engine now adjusts lighting and shadows in real time, giving you pro-level shots even in tricky conditions. The front camera, a 32MP beauty, is hidden under the display this time, meaning no punch hole or notch to interrupt your view. Performance-wise, the phone doesn't hold back. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this device is a speed monster. Whether you're playing high-end games or running multiple heavy apps, lag simply doesn't exist here. And the design. Oh, it's something to talk about. The OnePlus 15 brings a sleek titanium frame with curved edges, ultra-slim bezels, and a matte glass finish that feels as premium as it looks. It's lightweight yet solid, and yes, it's IP68 water and dust-resistant, making it as durable as it is stunning. But wait, there's more. OnePlus is packed in a next-gen haptic engine for even smoother vibrations and a new AI-powered cooling system that keeps the phone cool even during marathon gaming sessions. As for the launch date, leaks suggest that OnePlus will officially unveil the OnePlus 15 in January 2026, with global sales starting shortly after. And here's a little surprise. There might be a special edition OnePlus 15 Ultra featuring even faster charging and exclusive color options. So, stay tuned till the end because OnePlus might just be hiding one more game-changing feature under wraps, and I'll be revealing that in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's the surprise for those who stayed till the end. OnePlus is rumored to include an AI-based holographic assistant exclusive to the OnePlus 15 Pro model, something that could change how we interact with phones forever. Keep watching, because the smartphone revolution is just getting started.